Alright guys, we're very excited today to be here at the Fremont Skate Park. We listened to what you say in the comments, so please leave a bunch of comments and let us know what you think about actually everything. A lot of you guys have been saying go to Fremont Skate Park, so here we are. And
we came back.
Back in town. I think that's a song now.
What, were you waiting for something?
I said a boomerang pung. We came back to insinuate you come in with the boomerang.
I was gonna be like, just step out just a little bit. And we'll be like, well now we're here at Fremont, what are we gonna skate? We got nothing. I got nothing, there's no box. Oh!
We threw this about 30 minutes ago.
Well, Daniel is back from Australia. So, before we skate this, we're gonna go ahead and throw it.
Oh! I learned to throw from a certified Australian. That is not Daniel.
He's not even Australian. He's fake.
Ah! Oh!
Wang Danga!
Oh God.
Oh! Dude, that
actually would come back.
What? Oh!
Catch it. There's no way you could.
One throw from Fetty. One throw.
Oh my.
No! No!
That was yours.
These are cheap.
You guys have like a duel going on the side here. You need to relax. Can I get a throw before it breaks?
If it breaks, how are we gonna skate it?
I don't know.
They do work.
Fetty! Where'd that other one go?
Fetty's climbing the tree. Oh my gosh.
I'm going. He's a freaking ninja.
Yeah.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Get up there, big boy.
Should we throw the other one in there to try and get it down?
Oh, that's a great idea. Aaron, I know you want to do something. What do you want to do?
Well, I want to throw this that way. Can you go by those women and children and make sure the Wang Danga doesn't hit him?
Fetty's in the tree.
Wow, he's really going.
Why are there a certain amount of branches up here?
Get off the tree.
Honestly, at this point, I would not be completely surprised if the entire tree fell down with Fetty in it.
Just in case he falls over, you might want to film that.
Oh yeah, I am.
I don't see it.
You find it?
No.
That's really high up there.
Boy, mate, what's he doing?
He's trying to get the boomerang in the tree. I see it.
You see it? Oh!
Good job, Fetty.
Fetty, you're a freaking wizard.
I got really scared like when I got all the way to the top and I saw the biggest spider web of my life.
Oh no. Aaron, I must say, I'm very worried about that boomerang and a car.
I'm worried about the families and children. Luke, can you run over there and make sure those families and children are okay?
Just go warn them.
So if the boomerang's coming,
you just you're a body shield.
Watch, go, run!
No, I'm scared. I'm scared.
I won't throw it that hard, trust me. Ready?
It fell. Oh, it fell down. That was the most funny.
Anticlimactic.
You were like, you guys go that far, save it. And it went like 10 feet.
I got you. Oh yeah.
Boomerang.
All right, let's go skate this bad boy. How could we possibly make it straight? So like, does that look straight?
Yeah, that would work. They're a little off-centered, but it's straight though, at least.
Give this a Wang Danga.
Oh.
Do you smell that?
Mahogany.
Smells like Australian winter. How to light a fire in Australia. This is more smoke than the Samsung S3.
Aaron, you're focusing too hard. There's smoke coming out of your ears.
I don't know if that's good for me. Oh, Wang Danga, Australianga!
Oh!
I'm so proud of myself for making this somewhat match up.
I'm really proud of you too, Aaron.
Thanks, Dad. Dude, this might be actually like way stronger
You think so?
than, yeah, feel it. Compared to just the one, that's a straight Danga. Daga on the Wang Danga. Ooh.
Is that what kangaroos sound like?
Yeah. Dude, this looks so good. Am I right?
It's got to be one of the best builds we've ever done.
Straight up
Skate
ever.
everything. It literally looks like a terrifying weapon.
It is.
Like a medieval weapon.
Does Australia have any superheroes? This would be his weapon.
Captain Wang Danga.
Ah!
That, no, nah. This with a knife.
Oh my god, he totally got me.
Why did they call it a thumbnail? So does that mean your thumb is like a preview of your fingers? Wow. I think so. I'm literally so confused by the interaction that just occurred.
Oh yes, boy. Oh yes. What do we do? 720 shove it?
The entire video should just be you kickflipping it.
Whoa! Wow, Daniel. It's a whole new experience. It works great.
The skateboard from down under. Whoa! All right, time to drop in.
Ready?
Stunt double.
I got this. Watch this. Oh gosh. What in the world?
Luke's gonna drop in on the ball.
You're gonna drop in on it?
Luke, you're dropping in on it.
And I'm from Australia.
What is going on between you guys today?
It's just a friendly rivalry.
Oh, drop in, bro.
Okay, I will.
Do it.
Okay.
Wherever you want. It's all good.
He said for the boys.
I'll drop in on it for the boys. Frick yeah, Coulter, you got it.
Hey, it actually was not bad.
Oh!
No!
Alright, 3 shoves.
I ain't scared. Oh, dang it. I got you. I got you. Yeah, fun.
Alright, tray flip, just like the spoon.
No way. Right here, $100.
Yes, Betty. It's incredible it's still staying together.
Oh!
Whoa.
I got the flip on that.
Oh.
Alright, right here. I don't know how to get it to flip.
Oh. Oh my.
Oh.
Oh! Yes, Betty.
Oh, nice. This is the hardest thing I've ever tried to tray flip. I landed the spoon fairly quickly, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I got the flick. No!
Oh.
I saw the promised land. Woo! No. Oh! No!
Oh. Oh my god. Do not doubt Freddy's freaking tape jobs, man.
Dude, I need it to stay in a crack.
Oh!
This is 12 times harder than the spoon. My leg gave out. Oh my god. No, I should have let it flip. I need to be in the damn crack, but these wheels are too big. Ah. Alright, right here. More tape for the fans. Just gotta be delicate here. Right here.
Oh my god! You are the tray flip master!
Oh.
Just wow.
Dude.
My back.
I just want to thank Fetty for being the greatest. How did he do that?
That could not have been better.
No.
Literally. That was the tray flip from down under, man.
Well, I don't know what you just did, but you just...
Oh my god!
His feet. He
That's
literally,
incredible.
it was like the boomerang was flying and his foot like came out and went like, yoink, caught it and brought it back in. That was incredible. Wow. Wow, that was incredible. That was incredibly fun. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the absolute best. What should we skate next? Leave it in the comments below. Think of anything. Try and figure out something that we have not skated that you would just be like, no way, that cannot be done. Leave it in the comments below. And then, as usual, hashtag notification squad. We will go through, pick the best hashtag notification squad comment, and we will send you a prize. Actually, it's just at random. It's not even the best comment, just totally at random. All you gotta do is have notifications turned on, be a subscriber, like, and leave the comment below, and we will go through and check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you tomorrow in the next daily video. Please subscribe, like, leave that comment below.
Your trophy.
Hello.